Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about the amazing benefits of garlic for weight loss and beauty. Garlic is not only a popular kitchen ingredient, but it also has some incredible health and beauty benefits that can help you look and feel your best. Let's dive into how garlic can be a game changer in your wellness routine. First, let's talk about garlic's role in weight loss. Garlic is known for its ability to boost metabolism. It contains compounds that can help increase your body's ability to burn fat more efficiently. By stimulating the fat-burning process, garlic can support weight loss when combined with a healthy diet and exercise. Adding garlic to your meals regularly can give your metabolism the extra push it needs to shed those unwanted pounds. Garlic is also a natural appetite suppressant. It helps reduce hunger cravings by stabilizing blood sugar levels, which means you're less likely to reach for sugary or high-calorie snacks. Plus, garlic's strong flavor can enhance the taste of healthy foods, making it easier to stick to your diet plan. In addition to aiding in weight loss, garlic has some powerful beauty benefits. It's packed with antioxidants that help fight free radicals, which are responsible for skin aging. The anti-inflammatory properties of garlic can help reduce acne and other skin irritations, giving you a clearer complexion. If you have acne-prone skin, applying garlic-infused oil or a garlic-based mask can help soothe the skin and reduce breakouts. Garlic is also great for your hair. Its high sulfur content promotes the production of collagen, which is essential for healthy hair growth. Regular use of garlic oil on your scalp can improve blood circulation, strengthen hair roots, and reduce hair loss. For an added boost, you can mix garlic with coconut oil and massage it into your scalp to nourish your hair from the roots. Another beauty benefit of garlic is its ability to brighten skin. It can help fade dark spots and even out skin tone when used regularly. You can create a simple face mask by crushing garlic and mixing it with honey or yogurt, then applying it to your skin for about 10 minutes. This natural remedy can help give you a brighter and more radiant complexion over time. Overall, garlic is a powerful ingredient that not only supports weight loss but also promotes healthy, glowing skin and strong hair. By incorporating garlic into your diet and beauty routine, you can take advantage of its many benefits. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more health and beauty tips. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.